Gemini just released their app for Mac. So if you want to download the Gemini Mac app, just go to this URL, gemini.google/Mac, or just open up a new browser tab and just type in Gemini Mac app and then just search. And you will see the first option here is the Mac URL. And then once you're here, go to the button that says download for Mac. It'll download on whatever browser you're using. So here is the DMG file. Go ahead and click on that DMG file or find it in your files and go ahead and drag the Gemini app logo or icon here into your applications folder. And then what I like to do is just open the applications folder from here by double clicking and then search by going to G's and then double click. And the Gemini Mac app will ask, can it open? Go ahead and allow that. Sign into your Gemini account by logging into your Google account. Go ahead and sign in like so. And then you can see, go ahead and say use Gemini. And then you have the Gemini app here on your Mac. If you have any questions, put those down below. I'll have some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.